How's it going? Today we're going to be looking at how to calculate net present value in two different ways. Net present value is just the difference between the present value of future cash inflows versus the current cash outflows. First method we're going to use involves the net present value formula, and the second method involves present value payments. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So to start off, let's look at our cash flows through the years. So we initially make capital expenditure of about 1.55 million in order to acquire this business. Over the following years, we have expected cash flows of 50,000, 280,000, 315,000, 400,000, and 950,000. The total of this difference is 445,000, but obviously we have to discount it to its present value in order to get the net present value. So how we do this using the formula is we do equals net present value, NPV, with our discount rate, or 6%, comma, all of our future cash flows. Now this will give us the net present value of the future cash flows, but in order to get what the present value is compared to our initial cash outflow, we also have to add this value in. And we have a net present value of 37,581. Now we have internal rate of return, which is just the rate of return generated by this project over the course of its lifetime. This is a pretty simple one. We simply do the formula equals IRR, open parentheses, and then we do all of our values, close parentheses, and we have an internal rate of return of roughly 6.6%. Now with net present value, it suggests that you accept any project that is greater than $0. This project is $37,581, so we should accept it. Internal rate of return goes a similar note, saying you should accept any project with an IRR greater than 0, which also shows that we should accept this. The other method of computing net present value is very similar, however, we are not going to use that formula. Instead, we're going to discount our cash flows to the present value. And in order to do this, we just do the following simple formula. We do equals our cash flow divided by parentheses 1 plus our interest rate, close parentheses, to the root of whatever year it is. And we can see for the first year we have 1.55 million, present value 1.55 cash flow. And that's because it's the first year. Another important thing to note is that we have to make sure to press F4 when it comes to this interest rate, so that when we drag the formula down, it is locked in on that box. We can go ahead and fill without formatting, and we have the present value of all of our cash flows. And now we've done the hard part. Easy part now is to just sum all these up, and we have our net present value, which can also be found here. Now the internal rate of return, we know how to do that. We do IRR divided by the future value of all these cash flows. Don't get it confused with the present value. We use the future value. Equals 6.66. We can see that these values are the exact same. And since this is greater than 0, we're going to accept it as well as this. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to practice with the spreadsheet on your own, you can fill out the form in the description and you'll receive an email with it. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time.